Meet Mark. He is the sales director of a major manufacturing company. Mark knows the importance of having meaningful data to make informed, strategic, and relevant decisions. His main challenge is identifying new and valuable sales opportunities for his team. To accomplish this, he needs to have a full vision of his competitors, suppliers, distributors, and customers. That's why he analyzes internal reports, financial statements, web information, and even external data sets. But those sources don't track the market according to his requirements. What Mark needs is reliable, updated, and real field intelligence. Like him, thousands of decision makers are looking for a new competitive intelligence approach. That is why, following our proven data methodology, we have developed a new Intel solution that combines advanced geolocation technology, specialized machine learning algorithms, and alternative data. The result? We provide detailed connection maps between your competitors and their customers, suppliers, distributors, and more. Using advanced on-ground geolocation data, you will answer crucial questions like: what key companies are doing business with your competitors? Where are they located? What kind of business relationship they have with your competitors? How are they distributed across the country? What is your competitor's market share from a geographic point of view? What business relationships do they have in each state, county, and city? What areas do they cover? Where are their unattended business opportunities? Easily filter the information to have a complete analysis according to your needs. Our reports are interactive and visual, so you can immediately detect strategic shifts, patterns, connections, and opportunities within your industry. With our competitive tracking analysis, you'll finally be able to have a complete and categorized picture of each of your competitors' business ecosystems. For example, we deliver you a complete list of their possible clients, indicating how close is their relationship. Are you ready to start using the power of geolocation data and get ahead of your competition? So when it comes time to make crucial decisions, why not use a solution trusted by the most important companies in the world? Predict data-driven, more data, better business decisions.